Today, I'll run you through the installation process for the Philmac SIDR fitting. The pipe being used today is a 3/4 inch SIDR pipe. This only requires a few basic tools: a wrench to tighten the nut, some cutters, and a flat-faced mallet. You could even use a block of wood to knock the insert onto the pipe. Cut the pipe as square as possible and remove any burrs. Now take your fitting apart. First, remove the nut, then take the collet off and remove the insert from the fitting. Take the nut, push it onto the SIDR pipe, then your split collet, making sure it's orientated this way. Then push the insert into the SIDR pipe. Push it in by hand first to make sure it's positioned correctly. And it's important that it's inserted enough so that the last barb on the insert is fully covered. Once positioned in the pipe, give the insert a light tap. It'll go in easily. It is now inserted fully into the SIDR pipe. Take the pipe with the insert and bring it up to the fitting body. Take your collet and push it up. Then engage the nut with the thread of the body and tighten by hand. Now it's important that you do a final tighten with a wrench. There's no advantage or need to over-tighten the nut. All we need here is a light twist with a wrench until you can't tighten it anymore with reasonable force. That's the installation process for the Philmac SIDR fitting.